sitting all the time. I don't know how I'm back. Me no go sitting.
I'm coming to prepare this chicken. My mom is preparing it. She's cleaning them for me. She's cleaning them. I'm coming to make, I don't know what I'm coming to do with this chicken, but you gotta stay tuned. This is my mom cleaning it, and I will show you what is gonna be happening. So say hello.
Hello.
Come to say hello.
Hello, guys. How are you?
Yes. So she's preparing, she's cleaning it for me. Look at the first one. So two guys. We're gonna enjoy. We're gonna enjoy. Chicken is being roasted and washed. Ready to get the brownish color.
You sitting all the time. I don't know how I'm back. Me no go sitting.
That's short one. So guys, my mom is done with the chicken, washing it now for the last time. We're coming to season it. She has done a very good job. Two chicken, guys. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm about to prepare everything now. Got my ingredients. So is there making the pepper, and I have 1 egg, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and my Maggi and some seasoning packets. So these, and here is the sausage, and here is the chicken. So guys, I'm having a call. Let's season our. Let's season.
Oh, Papa got it. Oh.
This is a Maggi.
Cái đồ phụ quá mà ghế đâu rồi nè. Má là có khỏe của
I'm just done seasoning my chicken. This we call them in Creole country fall. Black pepper. Why? See that here? Eh? So when I open it, I need me know say me must enter. Yeah, so why? It's not baby. Guys, it's in it. I open it with my teeth, and now it enters my nose. I call that black pepper. Yeah? So guys, stay tuned. Slice in the sausage. 1 packet sausage. So stay tuned. Let's check. Check our is grating now. the garlic inside. Inside the pots. You don't want some good camera. Oh, yeah. So this one, guys, take some. So guys, you see me? I'm slicing my onion now inside the sausage. Guys, I'm hungry. Don't mind me eating just. So stay tuned. Our video so. Guys, we are turning now our chicken in another pot. Be careful. So cover. This. Be careful of that egg. It's on the oil. Put our oil. Guys, let's fry our chicken now. Yeah. Mama is my buy bread. Our Pulian, Pulian, you see the barra between this. Uda, I'm glad you. This now where God makes, you don't put it into government. The village will rent at it. Video me ba? Guys, so I'm putting my ingredients now. I never put all in a pot, so they come. But so they make them fine for me. They make them fine. You know they make them to the other one some.
That's all is good. You will not let people know what to do.
Coffee of water, oh, yeah, water. After pull away, don't put that egg. Now, see, put her inside.
Sister, what do you mean?
Now, put her inside. Now, now, go.
Come. Come, put all tea for me. Wait, Pepe. The document then are table to me.
Take a now, may you hold on now.
Count them out. Guys, I'm really enjoying it. They come back. School business. After. Look at the baby no meet myself. Help me, let them put out too. How are you, don't see her?
It's documented.
I want to let her go to steam. Let her not make fun of me.
No, no, so no more. Make her the cover.
What better I got read, yeah?
Good well, woman. You go over the line. Guys, I'm not enjoying anything. You don't see her? Take the stamp there.
This time, they'll step in there.
Why you pull you?
Bà take cái chế gặp qua qua chỉ cho cà phê bố à bố bò nha alo nha để mà bố cái gì bố cà bố qua ở cho cà phê bố à bố bò
Yo, let me put my foot on, go.
không biết chế gạo quả mà ớt có được
Wait, now put some water. Yeah, open the pot. Then not table, bro.
This stamp or you don't take? Or two? Why did you cover? They pay
So pack, tell me. No, so forget, I'm not forget go with you. Guys, I'm coming. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're going to watch this video. Guys, since yesterday, we have not got any peace. Since yesterday, we are troubled for this. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. For this feeding program, I was cooking yesterday. How are you, Auntie? Michelle? I was cooking and they removed me there since then yesterday until midnight. And now they are calling us again. How are you, old mommy? So what worker? What worker was so don't believe. So guys, we are going there now. School feeding program. We thank God and we thank the government of Sierra Leone for providing food for our children in school. But it's very, very stressful since yesterday. But we thank God. It's for yeah, and I'm still like that beer. I seen this girl quarreling with me for me to show her in my video. But she's walking like, and I want to walk faster. So I'm not the one that sent you behind. So guys, let's see. At us. Yeah. Ali not to them on a me the tot. Ali not do how. Let us see no more this pity I want a man. Me tot. He tot. Ali not do how. Ali I want see. If na wife or Aliyah. Aliyah. Mami na the big one. Look at what. You pick your fit here. Because Ali crazy. You pick your fit here, guys. Can you imagine? They want let me tot in work out. We go and sports. In work out, go and sports. Hey. No, I see no way to the village career. The village guy is carrier. We're going to toilet on about. Do I know more for we? Guys, so this is the balance. Yesterday they supplied us a lot. But it's just the few that left behind that we came to collect because we have to give account of everything. We have to take records. So we don't want them to take it away. So, guys, that is it. We don't want them to take our rice with them. So you can come and collect it. As you can see, I have the village carrier. The village school headmaster. The village school headmaster. Carrying rice.
Is that headmaster or
Headmistress? You are the village school master. I will not say headmistress, guys. So Ali has come to help me. I want Ali to carry he has and leave me. What kind of PTI is that? Cube fly. Guys, I'm not eating my yams and my chicken. Let's eat, guys. Guys, I prepared this yesterday. Very delicious food. Chop time. I'm eating all my breakfast. So guys, let's eat together. Guys, I don't want to give anybody this food. They've eaten theirs. So guys, this is my yams. This is chicken. Chop time, guys. Chop, 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 chop. Every night, my sister comes.